So guys, I've been experimenting and I think I found a solution on how to get Headstarts for free. Here's how.
Access granted.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be part number 2 for how to use a FLX app and then some information I found out experimenting on. So first things first, guys, I don't know if you guys did this before the FLX test came out, but in order for me to get my points on my accounts or many accounts that I had, what I would do was buy items and then after that eventually give it about a week or so and then return them. So I was thinking that maybe with the same common sense of doing the same thing with the new one, it might work. But then I was reading into the general membership stuff on the actual app and it literally says here's what it says, quote unquote. It says the xpoints earned on your purchase of an item will be reduced from your account if you return the item. If there are not enough xpoints available in your account, the return may result in a negative point balance. It says subsequent purchases will work your status back to a positive balance once you start buying items again. So pretty much what it's saying is they have pretty much found a way to make sure that we don't finesse the system. Let's say for example you buy a gift card from any of these stores like Foot Locker, Foot Action, and etc. Those won't count into your remaining balance for your xpoints. So I'm thinking to myself, number one, they don't want to lose money regardless, and we're gonna keep on needing to come back just to get more stuff, right? So what I'm gonna do tomorrow, or what my friends have already done, is they have bought several items that are worth about $300 and maybe even more. So that way, when you get into their xpoints are already showing 30,000, if not more, depending on how much they bought. Now he's gonna wait a couple of days, and so am I, because I'm gonna do this tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and buy all this stuff, give it about a week, and then for some reason I don't get picked because of the Headstarts. Now keep in mind, you gotta spend $100 to get 10 maximum head point starts, okay? So 10 of them is equivalent to 100, as I was saying in the first video. So if I don't win, I'm gonna go ahead and just return the items. Now I'm gonna experiment and see if my balance does become negative, and if it does, I'm the type of person that's gonna get it back up, so I'm not too worried about it. So that was my first update and my information that I got from this application. Obviously, we already know that All-Star Weekend is going to be approaching us really fast, as well as those Chicago ones that are coming out this weekend on Saturday. So if you guys are in Chicago and literally are able to get this shoe, I would recommend you guys go right now as we speak, as soon as I upload this video, or tomorrow morning, to go stack up your points by buying stuff and then experimenting by returning it back later. And then in other news, I actually found out that Finish Line actually updated their app as well. It is called the Status app or whatever. It's the same thing on their application, but they just pretty much upgraded it. I assume they're gonna do the same thing. I was reading onto it here as well. It gives you the benefits such as the same thing as a flex thing, but this one is gonna show you two different categories. You have the general admission, which is 0 to 4,199 status points, and then you have the 8 list, which is the greatest thing that you can get, which is 5,000 points or more. According to this, the A list gives you more opportunities to have early access on products, as well as have personal shopping experience and exclusive rewards shopping. So I don't know how the exclusive rewards thing is gonna be, since I haven't really shot that Finish Line in a while. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this is gonna work. I'm hoping that they upgraded their thing from being it randomized to actually having a chance of getting it with the more amount of money that you spend. So anyways, guys, I'm not sure if you guys were aware about that, but now you guys do. Anyways, I want to talk to you guys more about the shoe that I was actually able to get off the SellSneakerz app on the shot drop. It was the Air Jordan 1 Retros, the SEs. So I want to show you guys a quick video of this right now. Alright guys, so I was saying I got this off the SellSneakerz app on the shock drop that they had on there. This is the Air Jordan 3 SE. Obviously this is just a regular edition, not the Chicago edition, because the Chicago edition actually has the word shy right here in the bottom, which will be coming out I believe this Saturday as well, or All-Star Weekend. I can't remember which one. But this is how it looks right now, guys. The material is absolutely amazing on this shoe. I'm keeping this one as personal use since I do love Jordan 3s. And this is just how the product looks. So this is what it's gonna be, and pretty much excited for what this weekend is gonna have with the Jordan 1s. And then as well as I just found out that the Fear of Gods all in black are gonna be releasing on All-Star Weekend, as well as other shoes that I'm gonna be listing and making videos about. One thing I forgot to mention, because I'm so excited about this weekend and next weekend for All-Star Weekend, is the amount of shoes that we are going to be getting. So there's going to be so much money to be made this weekend as well as next weekend for All-Star Weekend, and I just want to list some of the stuff right here that I know is going to make a lot of profit. So starting off, we got the Nike Dunk Low Plums, which are $110, as well as the other colorway from the Strange Love Nike SB Dunk Lows. I know the Plum comes out February 7th, then as regarding to the Strange Love Nike SBs, they come out the 8th, which I believe is on a Saturday. As well as the Air Jordan 1 Retro High 85s, which is going to be exclusively only in Chicago. So make sure you guys check the locations on that, and then if you guys don't hit on the app for some reason because you guys are all new to it just like me, just remember they always have first come first serve after the reservations are over. So do take that opportunity to make some money because these shoes are going to be reselling for a very high profit amount. And then obviously guys, we have the Adidas Yeezy 700s in the triple black. They're going to be coming out on the 8th as well. We also have on the 12th the Air Jordan 1 New Beginnings pack, which is going to be those two shoes together. I believe that's retailing at $350, so that's going to be some good money to be made. And obviously we have the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG UNC to Chicago's, which is the women's version of the Air Jordan 1, but that's going to be money to be made too. So make sure you guys go onto your Finish Line application and make sure you guys enter the drawing just so you guys can get a chance to win them. And I also found out today that for some reason the SellSneakerz app did release early access on or exclusive access on the app, but only if you were a woman or categorized as a woman in your settings, and then you were able to get early access onto that. So that was pretty cool that they did that for them. And then you guys obviously still have a chance on the 14th or whatever in the morning to actually get it from the SellSneakerz app. So yeah, we have that. And then like I was talking about All-Star Weekend, we have the Air Jordan 3 Retro SEs, the red cements, which is the regular one that I just showed you guys, or I'm going to show you. And then we have the Off-White Air Jordan 5 Retros, which is going to be a crazy shoe to get because I'm super aesthetic about the Air Jordan 5, so I'm going to try to get my hands on this pair for sure. And that's pretty much it when it comes to All-Star Weekend and all the other shoes that are coming out. Obviously, we have the Air Jordan 6 DMP pack, or just the DMP, I'm sorry, coming out March 30th, but that's still a while away from here. But anyways, guys, look forward to doing some live costs with that and then just doing in-person in-store purchases and stuff like that. So I'm really excited about this, and I hope you guys are excited too because there's so much money to be made this month, and I'm looking forward to that. So anyways guys, this is just a quick update guys on the FLX app and as well as the new Finish Line app. And I just hope you guys enjoy this. If you found this to be informative or anything like that, let me know down in the comments below. You guys have any questions, like I always say, make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram, and then just go ahead and DM me any of your questions. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, it was just a quick little update, and I'll see you guys in the next video that I make. Hopefully it'll be a vlog about me copying all these shoes in person at the stores, or even just specifically doing live cops on my computer. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, thank you, and I'm out.